Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make some crock pot blueberry butter, and then I'm also showing you guys how to process it and can it too. So hope you guys enjoy the video. So let's get started. Of course you want to have some blueberries. These are grown from my local area, so they're really good blueberries. And you wanted 32 ounces of blueberries. I doubled this recipe so it looks like a lot more. It comes up to about 5 cups of pureed blueberries. You don't have to be 100% pureed. It can be a little chunky with the seeds and stuff like that. So just go ahead and blend it up. And then add it to a slow cooker or crock pot, whatever you want to call it. And you want to put the lid on and set it on high. And then put some cinnamon, some nutmeg. The recipe did call for nutmeg. I put ginger in it instead. Yeah, didn't have any nutmeg. So we add a cup of sugar. And go ahead and mix it up. And it usually takes anywhere between 12 and 24 hours for it to thicken up like this. You want to have it really nice and thick, like a butter consistency. And then you want to start processing your jars. Stick them in the canner for about 15 minutes so they can, get nice and hot. And then you want to start adding the blueberry puree to the jars. Make sure you get all the bubbles out of it and stuff, because it actually affects the taste of the butter. Just go ahead, if you see any bubbles in it, just go ahead and get rid of the bubbles. And you want to have a ½ inch of headspace in the top. If not, you can just go ahead and add some more, like I am here. And then after that, you want to go ahead and wipe off the jars, the the top of the lid, and just Then go ahead and put it into the canner, in nice and hot, bubbling water. I also wanted to say too to make sure that the water is covering the jar lids. So. And then you let it sit in the hot bath for 10 minutes. And then just take the really hot jars out of the canner. And there you go. Now you have some blueberry butter to enjoy on toast and everything like that. So thank you guys for watching. If you did, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and subscribe and all the wonderful stuff like that. And I'll see you guys for my next video. Have a good day. Bye.